Hey folks, my name is Yossi Gori. I'm 45 years old. I'm a designer based out of Los Angeles, California. I was born and raised in Israel. Grew up with a single mom, so early on I had to fix anything that was broken in the house. I learned how to work with a saw, how to work with a hammer at a very early age, and later on I learned how to make everything beautiful. As a designer, I've designed nightclubs, restaurants, private homes. I've also done events. I've done installations for companies like Lexus, Fiji Water, Red Bull, Disney. I'm a firm believer that if you're a good designer, you can't really have one style. You have to learn how to accommodate your client and how to accommodate your space. Welcome to the House of Petrozelia, one of Los Angeles' hippest, trendiest women's clothing store. This is one of my recent projects and one of my favorite projects. This space had a lot of soul. This was the Shambhala Meditation Center for 20 years. So walking in here, you can actually feel the space. So my design process is, after the client and myself decided on what the scope of the project is and what the project sort of looks like, I come into the space with my own little chair and I set it in different parts of the space and just sit there and let the space dictate the design process for me. Designing the store, I wanted to create a different shopping experience. I didn't want it to feel like a cold museum-like. I wanted it to feel like somebody's home, almost like you walked into an incredibly fabulous closet. The first room we created is sort of like your granny chic. It's pieces you've known, it's pieces you've seen, just arranged in a slightly kooky way, an inviting way. That's why I wanted it to be the first room. The center room, which is actually the heart of the store, and kinda, in my eye, the funkiest room, I got to have a lot of fun with it. I took this piece that was, again, a chest of drawers and cut it in half and kind of made it look like it's coming out of the wall. The last room, which is where the dressing rooms are. It's got a little hangout area. If you're shopping with your family or you're shopping with your friend or your girlfriend, they can sit down and chill while you're trying on clothes. We kept the colors very happy and upbeat here. There's like a sunshine yellow and orange and pink and silver, which make the room feel really uplifting. We also did something very interesting here by placing two mirrors right in front of each other. And when you stand in the middle of them, you kind of see yourself a million times. I mean, it's endless. Another amazing piece I've incorporated in the design is the chandelier I found at the Salvation Army. It was laying on its back. It was completely battered. Everything was in shambles. It was missing crystals, but I could still see through it. I fixed it with my bare hands. This was a really fun project to do. I got to work with a lot of found objects and modify them. I got to do the paintings, wallpapers. I mean, I've basically built everything myself. I got to work with crazy color combinations, mixing periods together that normally you would never do in one space. And at the end of the day, it really works. The client absolutely loves the store, and everybody that walks in has something to say.